This tutorial will show how to perform design for assembly. In this case, first we'll go ahead and put the realistic preview to view the components that will be on the board, both front and back. All right, let's go ahead and perform our design for assembly analysis. Using the Fab 3000 DFM rules, I can adjust the assembly settings that I wish to check for. By the way, Fab 3000 can also check standard DFM and design for assembly simultaneously. Here we found the errors that have been detected by Fab 3000. First, we'll go ahead and select the minimum clearance between the components. Next, we'll verify the footprint to pad registration. This is where the library in the CAD does not match the actual Gerber data or manufacturing files. Here is a component that has exceeded the maximum height, which would cause problems with any type of enclosure. And these are invalid reference designators that may cause confusion and delay in assembly. We'll go ahead and generate a PDF report here to make it easy to share with coworkers and colleagues any of these errors that have been detected. Thank you very much.